A river has surged suddenly in Nepal, sweeping away bridges, vehicles, settlements, and hydropower projects. This has left almost 100 Indians missing. On August 26th, a massive flash flood swept through Nepal's Rasuwa district near the Tibetan border. The Bote Koshi River rose abruptly, destroying all the bridges, vehicles, settlements, and hydropower infrastructure. What makes this event very interesting is the flooding may not have been caused by rainfall. The Nepal's Department of Hydrology and Meteorology reported that flooding was not caused by rainfall in Rasuwa. Authorities are investigating whether the sudden surge was triggered by glacial lake outburst flood or another event on the Tibetan side. So what exactly is the glacial lake outburst flood? Think about what happens as glaciers melt because of global warming. As glacier melts and retreats, meltwater accumulates in the depressions, often behind the natural barriers made up of ice and moraine debris. Remember, glacier doesn't leave behind just water. At its margins, it carries and deposits moraines, which is nothing but a mixture of rocks, boulders, and other debris. Think of it somewhat like a natural dam made up of glacial debris. If this barrier suddenly breaks because of an avalanche, landslide, excessive water pressure, another trigger, the stored water can be released very rapidly. That water rushes downhill with enormous quantities of sediments, boulders, and debris, turning the flow into a highly destructive flash flood. The result? A sudden flash flood with little or no warning, and the danger doesn't necessarily stop at a particular country like Nepal. It goes beyond the boundary. So the Trishuli Gandak river system is part and parcel of the UP and Bihar, and that's where authorities are placing these regions on alert.